Humanoid robots are becoming the reality now. They are evolving and learning right now. Companies like Tesla, Meta, and emerging tech giants from China and India and other parts of the world are racing to develop humanoid robots that can think, react, and even make decisions on their own. These robots are not just programmed for specific tasks. They are designed to learn from their environment and adapt like humans. But how exactly do they work? What kind of technology is driving them? And should we be excited or worried about future filled with AI-powered humanoid assistants? Let's discover who is involved and what technology they are using to develop this. Meta. The company behind Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp is no longer about social media. They are investing heavily in artificially intelligent humanoid robots. Machines designed to understand, communicate, and assist in real-world situations. Unlike traditional robots that follow a fixed set of commands, Meta's AI robots are learning-based, meaning they improve their skills over time using advanced deep learning and natural language processing (NLP). This allows them to understand human speech, recognize emotions, and even respond appropriately in conversations. Now, here is an interesting vision of Meta. They are creating these robots that could actually assist people in their daily lives, at home, in workplaces, and even healthcare. Imagine having a robot that can talk to you, understand your emotions, and even help in the household chores. With advancements in computer visions and neural networks, these robots are getting closer to human-like perceptions and reasoning. Now let's understand what technology Meta is using. These robots are built using Llama AI, large language model Meta AI, for conversation processing, TensorFlow and PyTorch for deep learning, and OpenCV for recognizing objects and surroundings. They rely on NVIDIA GPUs for high-speed AI processing, making them some of the smartest machines ever built. Elon Musk's Tesla is known for electric vehicles and for self-driving cars, but now they are building Tesla Optimus, a humanoid robot designed for physical labor. Unlike most robots built for specific industries, Optimus is designed to be a general-purpose AI worker. It can carry objects, use tools, and even walk on two legs just like a human. Optimus is powered by Tesla Full Self-Driving (FSD) AI, the same system used in Tesla autonomous vehicles. This means the robot can process its surrounding, avoid obstacles, and adapt to dynamic environments. With its LiDAR sensor and autopilot cameras, Optimus is constantly learning how to interact with its environment in real time. Optimus is powered by Python, C++, and TensorFlow for AI training and runs on Tesla's Dojo supercomputer for machine learning. Its LiDAR and ultrasonic sensor give it spatial awareness, while advanced neural networks allow it to understand complex tasks. India has also entered the AI robotics race with addverb technologies, backed by Reliance Industries, developing the country's first AI-powered humanoid robot. Unlike Tesla's Optimus, which is aimed at home and industrial use, India's humanoid robot is designed specifically for factory automation, warehouses, and business logistics. These robots will handle inventory management, automate industrial tasks, and even provide customer support in stores and service centers. With the rapid growth of automation in Indian industries, humanoid robots could revolutionize everything from e-commerce to healthcare. Imagine a robot managing warehouse operations alongside human workers, improving efficiencies and reducing errors. India's humanoid robots represents a big leap towards a smart automation, but the question remains, can they compete with Tesla and Meta's AI robots? Let's see the technical breakdowns of Addverb's humanoid robots. They use deep reinforcement learning (DRL) and AI-driven decision making. They are programmed with Python, C++, and ROS robot operating system and rely on ARM-based processors and Intel AI accelerators for real-time processing. Their 5G-enabled cloud connectivity allows them to analyze data instantly, making them highly efficient in industrial applications. Okay, the most interesting part was recent Tech Expo, the AI robot showcase at CES 2025. In this expo, several groundbreaking AI robots were revealed. The AO-less robot can clean homes and fold clothes. LEQ serves as an AI companion for the elderly, and Cyber One by Xiaomi is capable for recognizing emotions and holding human-like conversations. What technology they used will not much difference what we have discussed already. But these robots uses natural language processing (NLP), deep learning, and AI-based object recognition. They heavily rely on Python, C++, and Java, and are powered by Intel Movidius AI chips for advanced real-time interactions. With 5G and cloud AI connectivity, these robots can process commands in milliseconds. Now, a concern to many: are AI humanoid robots a threat or an opportunity? As humanoid robots become more advanced, one question looms large: will they replace humans' job or create new opportunities? While AI-powered robots excel at automation, efficiency, and data processing, they lack human creativity, emotions, and ethical reasoning. That means the key to staying ahead of automation is learning new skills that AI cannot easily replicate. The AI revolution is happening right now. From Tesla's Optimus to Meta's humanoid AI and India's AI-powered robots, humanoid machines are set to change how we live and work.